friends, Running Kimono, and we're looking at a haul for the week of July the 9th over at Walgreens. The first piece of business that we're going to talk about are these Yankee Candles for $21.99. I think I must have got this for 95% off, which is crazy. I saw on social media a lot of people were like, start the car, run, get to Walgreens, or put in a curbside order for this specific candle, which is the Yankee Candle Balsam Cedar. So the price in store is $21.99, but it is on the app for $1.59. So in store, what you're going to do is go to that aisle with the trash bags and paper towel, and they usually have the candles there, and you're going to ask a manager for a price modification to the online to in-store, and they have to give you at least one at $1.59 modified, and it is the medium perfect pillar balsam candle. And I think it's in their, it's online in their policy that they have to give you at least one modification. So, yeah, I was surprised I found two today, and the very lovely manager gave me a mod for two. So for $3, I got like $42 of candles. This is a start the car offer if you love candles. And again, it's uniquely on this scent. It's not all of them, but like make it happen, guys. And definitely open up the Walgreens app and see what your store has in stock and what the price are, blah, blah, blah. This was saying it wasn't even in stock in my store, but yet I got two. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to talk about are these Dawn Easy Squeezes for $3.99. Buy two, get back a $2 register reward. And these are massive, these Easy Squeezes. So I was delighted to find so many in the store. And we have this 75-cent digital that popped up today. So definitely load it for some extra savings. If Dawn is your thing, you're going to know the value of this deal. So two of them at $3.99 is $7.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7.23 and then get back a $2 register reward, dropping it to $5.23 for the two or $2.61 per. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. And, it's just, I think this is a very good price. And if you love Dawn and you really want to stock up on it, I would make this happen. I really think that this specific deal, because Dawn is like a detergent or like a dish soap everybody loves, this is going to get cleared out really quickly in most stores. So make it happen. Okay, and just to show you guys a little sneak peek, here's my register reward. So delighted. And on the Apple and the regular blue, it printed on both. So I was having no problems, no issues. I did it twice, two separate transactions, and it printed twice for me. The next deal of the week that I think you should be doing, according to Aunt Rach, is on the L'Oreal Elvive to get these for $1 each. Like, yes. This week, 2 for $8, $3 register reward when you buy two. So I love this deal. We have this digital coupon also, which is a 3 off a 2. So make sure you have that loaded right away. I've noticed too with digital coupons, I can only load them after 9 a.m., which is bizarre. So let me know if it's the same thing with you guys. But yeah, I faced that this morning because I get up like 6 a.m. I'm an old person and I could not load my coupons this morning. I'm like, oh, so I was like having a moment. So looking at the math for this, two of these Elvives for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, shaking this out 2 for $2 or $1 each. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with the booster. But like, how lovely is this deal? This is a really great shampoo. I buy it often and I love using it. And anyone I've gifted it to, they're like, do you have any more of that awesome L'Oreal shampoo? So yeah. This is the deal that I think is not as great, and we're going to talk about it. You have to buy 3 of these to make the deal happen, and Garnier's never done this to us, but I guess it's just like a special something from them, which isn't great. Unless this is your absolute favorite shampoo, it's to spend $10 to get that $3 register reward. That's what I worried about, and that's what they did. We have this digital coupon, so I'm going to show you a deal. I mean, if you are in desperate need of Fructis or this is your favorite, this is how you're going to make it happen. happen. 3 of them for $12. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $9. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 6 for 3 or $2 per. Again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. However, we sometimes get this for like 50 cents or $1, so I would wait. But if you're in desperate need, make this deal happen. Another deal that I absolutely love is the Viva paper towel for $4.99. It's usually $7.49. This is expensive stuff, and I know there's a lot of fancy ladies out there who love this. So, I mean, I would grab a couple, use, $10 in Walgreens cash or $4 in Walgreens cash, pay 99 cents and call this a steal of a deal. Or if you might have a store register reward, like make the math, and just like stock up. This is a very good price point. Okay, so I just had this booster on my store card. I didn't have a paper booster, unfortunately. I was out of town for a couple days last week, so I could not get in the store Thursday or Friday when they normally print for me. So, you just have to sometimes take the rolls with the punches. So I got a $25 basket rockin' and rollin' for me. I'm going to preface, I did make a mistake in this, so please pay attention to my mistake because it wasn't great. We have 3 of the Old Spice body washes at $7 a pop. It should have been 3 Olay body washes because the 5 back when you spend $20 is for Olay only. Old Spice is not part of it, so my mistake. And then I got my Elvive as well. I loaded this, so alternatively we have a 5 off 3 for the Olay, so load that one. And then IBOTTA was giving back $2 for the Old Spice, and I think they're doing the same with the Olay. I think it's a 5 back actually when you spend 3. So yeah, I mean, I made a mistake here. I don't know why I had a wild thing to get the Old Spice. Who knows? And then as I showed you the L'Oreal deal, I grabbed 2 for $8 and I loaded this digital coupon. So that's $8 of digitals popping off. But let's look at this basket properly. Grabbing 3 of the Olays for $21, 2 of the Elvives for $8 for a subtotal of $29. I had my booster loaded of 7 back when you spend $25, $8 of digital coupons melting off. So with my debit card, pay the $21, get $7 in Walgreens cash back for my booster, a $5 register reward for Olay, a $3 register reward back from Elvive, and then you should claim $5 back from IBOTTA for the Olay as well. So it makes the haul $1. Remember, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards because it's going to mess things up. And triple check that you have the same IBOTTA rebates as I'm describing, because if you don't, obviously it's going to affect your deal greatly. The last store that we have is Big Lots, and if you're out and about today, which is July the 9th, this sunscreen, which is a Big Lots company, it is a free item, so the coupon is loaded automatically to your store card, and all you do is go to the register, and that's where they're probably going to be staged or near the summer fun in the sun stuff. So it's got to be one of these sound body sun care items at $5.49. And then you just bring it to the cash and it comes off automatically and it's a free item. So I would get out and do that because who doesn't like free sun care? I certainly do. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.